Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Flash Fill feature in Excel. Flash Fill is a great tool for automating repetitive tasks like splitting, combining, or reformatting data. Let's start by combining first and last names into a full name. I'll start by typing the full name for the first row in the adjacent column by combining the first and last names. As I begin typing the full name for the second row, notice how Excel automatically detects the pattern and displays suggestions for the remaining cells. I'll review the suggested full names, and once I'm satisfied that they are correct, I'll press Enter to accept. The status bar will show Flash Fill Change Cells 9, indicating that Flash Fill has automatically filled in the full names for the remaining cells. Next, let's split dates of birth into years, months, and days. Here I have a column with dates. I'll type the year for the first date in the adjacent column. As I begin typing the year for the second date, notice how Excel automatically detects the pattern and suggests the rest. I'll press Enter to accept. I'll repeat this process for the month and day columns. Sometimes, Excel does not display the suggestion. In this case, just click the Flash Fill button in the Data Tools group of the Data tab, and Excel will fill the rest automatically. Alternatively, you can press the shortcut key Ctrl-E. I'll do the same for the day column, typing the day for the first date and then letting Flash fill the rest. Pressing Ctrl-E fills cells if suggestions not displayed. Next, let's create email addresses from usernames and domains. I'll type the email address in the adjacent column by combining the username and domain. Then click the Flash Fill button in the Data Tools group of the Data tab, and Excel will fill the rest automatically. Alternatively, you can press the shortcut key Ctrl-E. Finally, let's reformat phone numbers. Here I have a column of unformatted phone numbers. I'll start by typing the formatted number for the first row in the adjacent column. As I begin typing the formatted number for the second row, Excel automatically detects the pattern and suggests the rest. I'll press Enter to accept. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.